fourth grade. Have you ever worked on a maze? A maze is a puzzle with twists and turns where you try to find the path from the entrance to the exit without hitting dead ends. This week we'll code through a maze. Keep watching to learn how. On the home page, slide down to Technology. Click Technology. On the Online Tech page, slide down and click on 4th grade. Click 4th grade. Today's Google Classroom assignment says, code your own maze game. Can you create a maze game in Scratch? Continue to watch this video to learn how. First, choose a maze starter project. It can be a sky maze starter project, space maze starter project. How about a forest maze starter project or a snow maze starter project? Click the link that you want. I'll choose the forest maze link. This is the Forest Maze Starter Project. If you chose a different link, it'll look a little bit different. Each one of your projects should have a person who needs to meet the goal. Mine is the knight. You might have obstacles, which are, in my case, the trees. And you'll have a goal. You might need to change the character. You might make him smaller or larger. Do you remember how to change the size? Click the size and make it either larger or smaller. Make sure your character can go through the maze. If not, you won't win. Let's go ahead and get started. Make sure that you put your character at the start line. Where's your start line? Yours might be different than mine, and that's okay. Let's start to code. Let's go to Events. Pull out when the flag is clicked. When the flag is clicked, I want my character to always go to the starting line. Let's go to Motion. Slide down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks and pull off a Go to X, Y block. Click and hold and drag it and connect it to when the flag is clicked. When the flag is clicked, my character will always go to the starting lineup. Let's continue to code. Let's go back to Events. We'll use an event that we haven't used yet. This is the third one down. It says when this sprite is clicked. Click and hold and drag it out. It won't connect to anything else. This is an event. We want this event to last forever. Do you remember where the forever blocks are? They're under Control. Click Control. Slide down and pull off a forever block. Click and hold and drag and connect it to when the sprite is clicked. When the sprite is clicked, I want it to go forever to the mouse pointer. That's under Motion. Click Motion. Slide down to go to Random Position. Do you see the white triangle? Click the white triangle and go to Mouse Pointer. Now it says Go to Mouse Pointer. Click and hold and drag this block and put it in the forever block. This says when the sprite is clicked, it will attach to the mouse pointer. Let's try it out. Click. You can see that it follows the mouse pointer. I can play my game now to make sure that I can get to the goal. But nothing happens if I touch anything else. So let's start over. hit the stop sign, then hit the green flag. My character now goes back to the starting lineup. We want a couple of if-then statements. If it's touching the obstacle, then it's going to go back to start. Or if it's touching the goal, it's going to say you win. Let's look for those if-then statements in Control. Do you see the if-then statement? Click and hold and drag it out. Put it inside the forever block. I'll move this code up because I need another if-then statement. Click and hold and drag another if-then statement and attach it underneath the first if-then statement. Now let's continue to code. Let's go to Sensing. Those are the light blue blocks. We want a touching color block. Do you see the touching color block? It's the second one down. Click and hold and drag and put it in the diamond on the first if-then statement. This is saying if it's touching this green color. I don't know if I have that green color. So let's click it. Let's go to the eyedropper and click on the obstacle color. This is the light green section. Click on your color for your obstacle. This will put your color inside of that diamond. Now, if my character is touching this light green color, what's going to happen? I want it to go back to the starting lineup. Go back to motion. Go to XY. Click and hold and drag it and put it inside the if-then statement. Let's try it out. Hit the flag, click your character, and touch any of the obstacle. It goes back to the starting lineup. That's what I want it to do. But you can see that it still attaches to my mouse. I need another block that says stop the code. Hit the stop sign. Go back to Control. Slide down under Control to the Stop All. This will stop all of the code. Click and hold on Stop All and connect it to the Go to XY block. So forever, go to mouse pointer. If it's touching that light green color, go back to the start line and stop all the code. Now, what happens when my character does make it to the goal? Let's try it out and let's code. Let's go back to the sensing blocks. Let's go to this first block that says touching mouse pointer. Go over and choose the white down triangle. Find goal. If it's touching the goal, what's going to happen? Click and hold this diamond and put it into the second diamond on the if-then statement. Now it says, if it's touching the goal, then what's going to happen? Well, I wanted to say, you win. Let's go to looks. Let's pull off a say hello for 2 seconds. Put it in the if-then statement. Say, you win for 2 seconds. Let's try our game. Hit the flag. Click your character. Can you get your character to the goal without touching the obstacle? If your character is too big, it might not fit through the path. Be very careful to try to get to the goal. Uh-oh, I hit the obstacle. Let's try it again. Careful. Good job. I won. Can you make your character win and get to the goal? you might have to have one more stop all block. Let's hit the stop sign. Go back to Control and slide down to Stop All. Can you write this code for your maze? Good luck with this week's assignment, and I'll see you next time.